I hope you guys are ready for another transformation. If you guys are ready to see how I transform this look, keep watching. Hey my babies, so in this video I'm using the Eco Styling Gel, 1 pack of these rubber bands, and 2 packs of the Oche Expression Hair Synthetic Pre-Stretch. Alright, so now I'm going to section out my hair. So the easiest way to explain this is to part it in 3 sections and then separate like the 2 end sections into 2 and then the middle into 4 sections. I hope that makes sense. So these sections will be based on the length of hair that you have. As you guys can see, I don't have that much. I think I have maybe about 2 inches of hair on my head, and this is what I'm working with. If your hair is longer, then you can work with the largest sections, or if your hair is shorter, then you can work with like smaller sections. It's really just based on preference. You can part it however you want to achieve this style. So now I'm just gonna go in and gel my hair down. This is a preference of mine. I like to gel my hair down after it is secured. That way it's not slipping from my fingers as I'm trying to catch it. After I got finished gelling my hair down, I add a styling strip so that I can lay these edges down, boo-boo. I did use a handheld blow dryer to blow dry my hair a little bit for maybe about 4 seconds. And now while I'm letting that sit, I'm about to braid the extension. So I did 4 big braids. I did 2 for the sides and then 2 for the center. After I was finished braiding the extension, I used pins to secure it to my hair. Are you guys ready to see this transformation? And just like that, boom! She transforms. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you are officially a part of your girl's journey.